Hello students, now let's continue lesson number 3 on page number 43. Okay, 8, a revolt in 1857. Okay, now revolt started in India. Okay, and the main reason for the revolt was the dissatisfaction. Okay, dissatisfaction at different level and different people. So let's see who was dissatisfied. So we were seeing that, discussed that in the previous video, that peasants, farmers, they were dissatisfied because of heavy tax. Then traders, then artisans, they were also dissatisfied because of the heavy tax. Then different group of people, those who were in favor with English education and those who were not favor with English education, who were about old thinkers, who were stuck with the old thinkers and religious, they were also dissatisfied. Okay, why? They thought that their religion was ruined or destroyed. Okay, so they were also dissatisfied. Then the soldiers, there are many reasons for the soldiers also dissatisfied with the British rule. Okay, then the many people, okay, many people like that, they were greatly dissatisfied with the rule of Britishers. Okay, and this dissatisfaction was the become main reason for the revolt. Okay, આજે different group people ના ગ્રુપમાં જે dissatisfaction aroused થયો, it was the main reason for the revolt. Okay, they got dissatisfaction and they started revolt. They just wanted to drive back to the Britishers, drive away to the Britishers. Britishers ને drive away કરવા માંગે છે, and they just wanted to become free. Okay, so let's see how the revolt spread in India. Let's see the first picture. Then there was a violent outbreak at Meerut. So in Meerut, there was the revolt break out and it was violent. Next picture, the Sipahi marched to Delhi. Long live our Emperor Bahadur Shah Zafar. Okay, so now in Delhi also all the soldiers were ready to do revolt. Okay, and Bahadur Shah Zafar, he was the leader. He accepted the leadership at Delhi. So Bahadur Shah Zafar was 80-year-old people. He was 80-year-old man, but he fought bravely in revolt. Okay, and he took the leadership at Delhi. Thus in Meerut and Delhi, revolt started in 11th May. Okay, in 11th May in Delhi, revolt was started. The rebellion spread wider, and then the rebellion was spread in whole India. Let's see the next picture. Many landlords had lost their lands because of the British policies and they were sore. Okay, so sore means they were irritated by the Britishers. Landlords also irritated by the Britishers. The white man's rule must end it. They also thought that white man means Britishers' rule must end it. Yes, we will help you, and landlords also accepted that we also help you. Okay, so in this way the revolt was started in India. Okay, different region of India. Okay, now let's see what happened next. Turn the page. The fight for freedom in 1857. Now many former rulers like Begum Hazrat Mahal of Lucknow were bitter. They have bitter experienced because of Britishers. So former ruler, and she is the example of Lucknow. She was the ruler of Lucknow, Begum Hazrat Mahal. They have bitter experience with Britishers, so they also joined the revolt. They joined the upsurge against foreigners, so they also joined the revolt. Whose ruler who was discontent, dissatisfied with the Britishers took away their kingdom, so they also joined the revolt to take back their kingdom. એમના જેટલા પણ રાજાઓ હતા એમના કિંગડમ લઈ લીધા હતા બ્રિટિશર્સે. એ બધા કિંગડમને પાછા લેવા માટે પણ આવા કેટલાક ફોર્મર કિંગ્સ હતા એવો જોઈન થયા. ક્યાં? ઇન 1857 revolt. The popular leader like Maulvi Ahmad Ullah of Faizabad told the people, "Rise, brother, rise. The Angrez is ruining our land." So this type of many leaders were there, and they took the leadership of revolt. Okay, thus the revolt was spread in most of the part of India. The people rose everywhere in Bareilly, Kanpur and Allahabad. So different region people were become aware and they joined revolt. Then Azimullah Khan told Tatya Tope that we should have Peshwa Nana Sahib as our leader in this war of independence. So they wanted to take Nana Sahib as their leader. Okay, so Nana Sahib also become the leader of 1857 revolt, and they also joined the revolt. The patriot pronounced upon the British and fought pitched battle all over North India. So in North India, in many regions also there were broke out the revolt. 80-year-old Kunwar Singh of Bihar received a bullet in his wrist. So Kunwar Singh of Bihar, he was the leader of the rebellions at Bihar. જે રિબેલિયન્સ હતા બિહારના એમના લીડર કોણ હતા? કુંવર સિંહ. ઓકે, બટ હી રિસીવ ધ બુલેટ ઇન હિઝ રિસ્ટ. એના રિસ્ટમાં હાથમાં બુલેટ વાગી, ગોળી વાગી. ધેન વોટ હી ડુ? લેટ્સ સી. Mother Ganga, this is my last offering to you. So he know that he was 80-year-old. 80 વર્ષના ઓલ્ડ મેન છે, બટ હી બ્રેવલી ફાઉટ in revolt. When he received bullet in his wrist, what did he do? And so કર્યું? Then he cut his hand from the wrist and threw it into the Ganga river. He was a brave man. Okay, so that much bravery he shown and fought for the freedom. Okay, so before died, he freed his Bihar from the clutches of Britishers. Okay, so he was the brave leader of Bihar, Kunwar Singh. Okay, and before died, he freed his Bihar from the clutches of Britishers. So here we can see that in many places, in many region, there was this revolt was broke out and started, and many group of people joined this revolt. Okay, but what do you think? Was the revolt succeed થયો? What do you think? The revolt was not succeed. It was unsuccess to achieve its goal. Why this revolt was fought? The main goal of this revolt was to get freedom. એનો મેઇન પર્પઝ શું હતો? ફ્રીડમ મેળવવાનો. ઓકે, બટ ધ રિબેલિયન વોઝ become fail to achieve their goal. સક્સેસ થયા નહીં. How can we say that? Because if the revolt was success, we have got the freedom in 1857. જો રિવોલ્ટ સક્સેસ થતે તો આપણને ફ્રીડમ ક્યારે મળી જતે? 1857. બટ it was not so. આપણને મળી નથી. So we can say that this revolt was not succeeded in its goal. એના ગોલમાં સક્સેસ થયો નહીં. There were many reasons for unsuccessful of this revolt. Many reasons. Okay, such as that this revolt, we can see that many group of people join, but not all Indian people join this revolt. If all Indian join, then we can succeed it, but not all people joined this revolt. Okay, and some people were joined revolt just because of their personal affair. પોતાના પર્સનલ અફેર માટે એવો જોઈન કર્યા હતા રિવોલ્ટને. Some kings were there. They did not want to get freedom. They just want to take back their kingdom. કેટલાક કિંગ્સ હતા, એમણે શા માટે જોઈન કર્યો હતો રિવોલ્ટ? કે પોતાનું કિંગડમ મેળવવા માટે, and not for freedom. So there were some faults of this revolt. બીજું કે in this revolt, some peoples were fighting with the side of Britishers. કેટલાક જણાએ બ્રિટિશર્સ, આપણા ઇન્ડિયન્સ એવા હતા કેટલાક કે જેમણે, કેટલાક ગ્રુપ એવા હતા who were fought in favor with Britishers. કેટલાકે તો બ્રિટિશર્સના સાઇડ થઈને લડ્યો આ રિવોલ્ટ. એટલે આપણા અગેન્સ્ટમાં, ઇન્ડિયન્સના અગેન્સ્ટમાં કોની સાથે થઈ ગયા? બ્રિટિશર્સ સાથે થઈ ગયા. So there were many faults of this revolt, and because of that this revolt cannot be succeeded. Okay, so now we will stop here. Okay, and it is the end of our lesson history. It is the interesting history of our India. We must know about that. Okay, the question answers we will discuss later. Okay, till then, take care students, stay home, stay safe.